Hello, thank you for watching. This is Game Audio Toolkit, where we look at approaches, ideas and implementations specific to game audio. And this time we're going to look at EQ matching, which will help us make this sound a bit more like this. My go-to tool is the EQ, and Fabfilter's Pro Q2, which was recently updated to version 3 and adding dynamic EQs, is my favorite. Speaking of tools, we're back in Hourglass to remind you of a previous episode in which we looked at using individual recordings as input to quickly create the sound of a full crowd. Now, creating different densities is easy enough with Hourglass, and such assets will allow for an interactive implementation later on. It's dense enough, but does sound as if these people are standing very close to a microphone, so we'll need to worldize this. For guidance, we'll use a real-world recording that has the right kind of intensity and sound. Now, one of the great functions of Pro Q2 is EQ Match. We can use it to analyze the sonic characteristics of our guidance file and apply it to our samples. For this to work, we set up a sidechain. In Reaper, that's as simple as dragging the route icon onto the target effect. Sidechaining is set up automatically. When we play our input file and set up EQ Match and sidechain, we can see the incoming signal as red. Now all we need to do is play our crowd asset files, and the plugin will do the rest. Click the Match button to create a new specific EQ curve. You can change the amount of points you'd like to use, and of course make some manual changes. Okay, let's compare our guidance file and the rendered target file. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? All it needs is a bit more worldization, and we've created a fully controllable crowd ambience without worry for what's being said. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments and I'll try and answer them. Thank you for watching. Until next time.